Hello everybody, and welcome to Ancient Architects. Please subscribe now to get the latest ancient history news and independent research from around the world. As I'm sure you all know, the Australian bushfires are of course absolutely devastating, with loss of human life and an estimated 1 billion animals being killed. As you can see in the media, this number continues to rise. And as well as the loss of life, people's homes and livelihoods are being destroyed beyond repair. The devastation is huge and widespread. The effects to human and animal life are of course the real sadness, and this video is in no way taking away from those losses. But being a channel that focuses on ancient human history, I thought it was worth taking stock of what archaeology has also been lost. During my research, reports are saying that most of the key ancient sites have so far been protected, and that is why I didn't make a video on the subject. But something has recently come to light that during the bushfires of 2018, there was one site that was ruined beyond repair. It is known as the Baloon Cave, which was once richly adorned with ancient rock art that dates back at least 8,000 years. And news of this damage has only just reached the public, with Australia's ABC News reporting it this week. Reports say that a recycled plastic walkway, supposedly protecting the site, exploded into a ball of fire during the bushfires in Carnarvon National Park in Queensland. The effects from this bushfire have not been spoken about until now, to give the site's custodians time to come to terms with the loss. Some of the artwork is ancient, but it was constantly added to over the millennia, making it a key cultural heritage site for the indigenous Aboriginal people, and it provided a link between the Bidjara, Gungalu and Garingbau ancestors and their descendants today. Many communities can connect back to the Baloon Cave system, and therefore to the Aboriginal people, the loss of this cave is akin to the destruction of Notre Dame Cathedral for the people of Paris. And sadly, it is the work of modern humans that led to the destruction. If they didn't add a modern recycled plastic walkway, the site would still be here to this day. This walkway is what caught alight and created the destructive fireball that ruined the site. Talking to the media, Professor of Anthropology Paul Taken said, "Unfortunately, that's sort of like solidified petroleum, and if you have hot fire underneath it, it melts and then it just explodes into a ball of flames, and that's exactly what happened." Furthermore, smoke from the fire also blackened the cave and some of it collapsed, and many of the famous hand stencils have since disappeared. Huge cracks have also appeared in the rock. And, on top of all this, the cave also underwent water damage, from steam that was released from the plastic boards as they burned. Natural bushfires are part of the cultural story of the landscape of Australia, and thousands of years have passed by with no damage to the Baloon Cave system. Yet, when modern humans get involved, we turn it into a disaster just waiting to happen. And this isn't even the first time it's happened. Back in 2008, another recycled plastic walkway created a fireball at Keep River in the Northern Territory, sending paintings and engravings crumbling to the ground. It is important that we can view the sites and learn about our ancient ancestors, but a non-destructive platform made from steel or concrete would suffice. Of course, right now the bushfires are devastating human and animal life, as well as the environment, and that is the main concern, as it should be. But we do need to try harder to conserve our history and not let it disappear from negligence or cost saving. Thank you very much for watching this news report from Ancient Architects. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.